Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we're going to take a look at today, you see the black box. Pretty plain black box. You got the gold Jumpman across the top. On this side, nothing. This side, you got another smaller gold Jumpman. Blank on this side. Now, what we have is the Air Jordan 5 retro grade school in the light aqua colorway. Now these came out a few weeks ago, I believe. I'm a little late to the party as usual, but it is what it is, man. My daughter wanted them, she had to get them. So let's check them out. Here it is, the Air Jordan 5 grade school light aqua. Now to me, this is a pretty clean shoe, man. You know, I'm glad it doesn't have that sale colorway on it that they been putting on everything as of lately. You got the clean white leather, you know what I'm saying? On the back you see you got the peach Jumpman. You got your hits of light aqua all throughout the shoe. You got the speckled peach shark teeth on the side. I think it's pretty dope, man. On the bottom you got the peach with the light aqua with the transparent outsole. I think it's a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. You know, so if you have people with little feet in your family, maybe you should look into getting these, man. It's a nice clean colorway, man. There's a look at the front around the toe box. There's a look at the tongue and the lace locks, or whatever you choose to call it. I mean, like I say, man, all around I think it's a dope shoe. On the inside you got the light aqua with the Air Jordan patch upside down as usual. I'm feeling it. Let me know in the comments, man, what you think, man. You feeling them? You not? You snatched them for your shorty or for your kid, your little one, or whatever the case is, man. Now, as we look at the other shoe, man, everything is the same. There's no difference between the two. The only difference that you can see straight out of the gate is it come with an extra set of laces strapped to them. You know what I'm saying? It comes with the flat peach laces. You know what I'm saying? There's no branding on the bag, clear bag. So it is what it is, man. You know, but like I said, man, it's a dope shoe. Both of these are identical, as I said before, man. You know, on the inside, you got that light aqua insole with the peach Jumpman. You can't really see it on this camera, but it is what it is, man. You know what I mean? So let me know what y'all think, man. I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. You know, now, let me see. These retail for 140 bucks. I didn't really hear much about them, and I didn't look for them on YouTube, but my daughter asked me to do a review on them, so she gets what she wants, you hear me? So that was my look at the Air Jordan 5 grade school in the light aqua colorway. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, man. Turn your notifications on. What you waiting on, man? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? Go check out the website, man, and I'ma holler back.